Hello, hello. How is everybody today? I hope everybody's having a great Sunday, and I hope it's just as beautiful at your place that it is at mine. Let me real quick share to my VIP group the stream. There, I think it is. Okay, all right. So I bought a shadow box at our local craft store. They took the back off of it. The inside was not pretty. Once I peeled off, like the ad that's on there has this like glue and paper dried on. So I got out scrapbook paper and found a solid sheet of blue, which I cut to fit this. Okay. And before I lock it into the shadow box, I am going to chalk a couple things on it. All right, so moving this aside a little bit. I also pulled a couple snowflakes from my snowflake transfer and the new Too Cold to Care. And that is what we're using today. Also at my local dollar store got faux snow. Okay, I'm totally lying that I went to the dollar store and got this. Actually, what happened is I asked Sarah, my sister, if she had any, because I didn't know what people were using inside their shadow boxes as they were doing these beautiful winter things. And she said this stuff. So I owe her 2 bags of it. Let's just say that. You have to twist my arm to get me inside the craft store. Hi, Bobby. Welcome. I am so glad to be live today. My gosh, I haven't gone live in forever. I feel like this school year that it has been like really crazy or something. All right, so chalking on cardstock. It's not too difficult. So I'm going to show you. I've already cut these snowflakes out. I used them at one of the craft shows I had. So I'm just going to do with bright white a couple snowflakes in this blue, on this blue paper, so that we've got a little bit of a background inside the shadow box, something to look at. So let's chalk a couple of these. You can do the same snowflake. You could do a couple different ones. You could do a couple. You could fill it with, I've seen people use like the patterns transfers, and those look really cute too. We've got a couple wintry ones, some autumn ones, some that were in our spring and summer and looked really good. Whatever kind of shadow box you're doing, whether it's for Thanksgiving or Halloween or winter, always think of what little things are in different other transfers that you can use, because it's a really good thing. All right, and then I have this jar of pearl glitter. So while my chalk paste is wet, how do I do this? How do I do it? I don't know why. It's coming out like really, really super slow. I want to like pop the stopper out of it. There we go. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, so I'm getting some glitter on there. I just want to, while that chalk paste is wet, glitter will stick. All right, now I want to not be messy and put this back into my jar. Put it back in. Oh, okay. When you do this project, don't have the fan blowing on you, because if you have your fan blowing on you, it's going to make a mess. All right, so now I'm just going to use this paintbrush to knock off some of this glitter. I want it glittery, but not that. This paper got covered. And then I'm gonna move. Wow, can you see how pretty it is now with that glitter? Can you see it at all? There, you can kind of see it in the light. Okay, so once the chalk paste is dry, then it will be good. Okay, so let me move a couple things because I want to try to get this rest of this glitter on my table thing. Okay, I was going to say, I'm going to set this all off to the side. Okay, maybe it wasn't that great of an idea to take the glitter thing off, the little cap that I wanted to do, but I did it anyway, so now we have to deal with it. Okay, hold up. I'm going to put this mat. Okay, that mostly got off of there. All right, we're going to contend with this paper towel full of the rest of the glitter after my live. In the meantime, let me wipe the rest of this off so that we can continue. I'm just using a Lysol wipe to get the rest of that off of there. Goodness sakes. Okay, so we've got our snowflakes that we added some glitter to. Let me see if I can see. Okay. All right, so next we have the backing that wasn't that fancy schmancy, and we've got a couple snowflakes. I didn't want to fill the page with too many snowflakes because the way that this is going to go into this shadow box, it's going to be kind of like in the back, and I want you to be able to read the words of this too cold transfer. So okay, so now I've got that in. Putting the back, make sure you put your back on the right way too, because it has a little doohickey for hanging it, a little triangular thing, unless you set it on a surface. Okay, so this is what we have right now. Okay, now we have the Too Cold to Care. Very, very cute. And I picked out some colors. I have Cadet Blue. I have Morning Sky. I stirred these beforehand. And then Bright White, of course. So you can put this on however you want. You can do it at diagonal. You can do it straight up and down. I'm going to do mine on kind of a little bit of a diagonal. Okay. Okay, so go ahead and work yourself all those bubbles and make sure you've got no wrinkles in your transfer. I think that looks cute. Okay, I got it just a little bit askew, but askew, but it's nice. Okay, now got a couple different size squeegees. I got the little ones because, and I also want like a mini squeegee because I have a couple things, couple colors that I'm going to try to do a little bit of this ombre. So for starts, let's get these snowflakes and spots all done. before we do the ombre. There's a couple of them. Couple. Too cute. So this is going to give it almost like that 3D look because it's just gonna. All right. So now we're going to go over the Too Cold at the top here. And then I am going to grab this Morning Sky and go across here. And then I'm going to take my finger while it's wet and kind of blend that line so it kind of looks like it's fading. And then we're going to grab this Cadet and get this lower part with the Cadet all the way across the bottom there. And then, oops, where's my lid? Can't find my lid. And then we're going to do, sometimes you got to a little bit wet your finger. There we go. That's a little bit better of a blend. Okay, so I'm just kind of blending up into that Morning Sky. Just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and peel to reveal. Oh, that is awesome. Love it. All right, let me clean my finger off. All right, so right now you've got the ombre with the Cadet, Morning Sky, and bright white. Got a couple little dots of different colors. Let me show you right now. Okay, so very 3D looking in there, right? And if it were just that, that would be cute, right? But there's more. All right, so I'm gonna set this up, grab my chalk paste out of the way. Now I'm gonna get those little styrofoam beads that I got from Sarah's house that she got at the craft store or the dollar store. I'm not sure. Could have been either or. Look for them because as soon as they put, this was in her box from last year, winter decor. So they should be coming out with that soon. Like the minute Halloween is over, maybe Halloween doesn't even have to be over, they're going to put that stuff out for the holidays. All right, trying to make sure everything in this area is dry. Okay, now I'm going to, there's a little slot at the top that lets me add some things to it. Thank you, Bobby. Do you see, wait, it says, hey, Tiffany, okay. Bobby, who are you talking to? Tiffany, is that, on, did you share the video and somebody named Tiffany is on your friend list? All right, so I'm taking this little topper off and I have my bag right here of these little styrofoam guys. And I just want to make sure, where is it open at? Right here. Or you can cut it. I'm just going to take my, let me take my scissors here. I don't want any like sticky adhesive in the way. All right, so now I'm going to tuck this. Can you see it? It's snowing right here live on TV. I mean, on the computer. Isn't this cool? So maybe, you know, I got 2 of these, but one looks like that might be enough. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest. My kids are gonna love this. All right, so this is what it is. So you've got those beads in there. I guess I'll stick that there. And very cute, looks just like snow. So you can set this up on your mantle. And what I was thinking would be cute is our Christmas tree cutouts with the different patterns on either side. You could do a couple here and a couple over here. Our Christmas tree cutouts come in like a 3-pack. So you could do a couple different things and do like maybe a blue and silver and white theme. That would be really pretty. So cute. I love it. What do you guys think? All right, let me know. If you're watching this video on the replay, please tell me, because that helps me know who my people are. Let me put up my little, I gotta move this. It's not gonna let me move it. I need my little blurb that I say. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. All right, so let's put this down here. Okay, so you may love and share this live, and you can share it when we're actually live too. I don't know if you guys have all ever tried that, but that is a good thing just to kind of spread the word. And if you are not a customer of mine in my VIP group, just comment, add me in the comments of this video or any video, and I will send you the link to join. Also, if you are interested in doing Club Couture, I just did this really cute acorn. It says Happy Fall-a-Days. Never heard of Happy Fall-a-Days, but it was a really cute transfer. I get a 9x12 size transfer once a month, and you guys get chalk paste with it. 3 pouches of chalk paste that have the amount in it that you can do multiple projects with. So it's definitely a great $19.99 spend each month. If you would like to join my team, comment join, and I'll send you the link so you can check out the starter kit and all of that stuff. And then if you have questions, let me know. And by all means, please go on to YouTube to Beth's Classy Chalking and subscribe, because I upload my videos there as well. So much fun. So this transfer is called Too Cold, and I also used the snowflakes in the back are from it's just called Snowflakes transfer. It's like a size B, and it had like maybe 6 or 7 different size snowflakes. These in the background were like one of the smaller sizes that they have. But such a cute thing. I cannot wait to put this up. So thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great week this week. Oh, good. You share. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. So your granddaughter is Tiffany. Awesome. 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 I hope Clyde and everything is going well right now. I hope you guys have sunshine like we do, because it's awesome. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.